Bullish NEAR protocol, NEAR, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $16.02 and $34.90 by 2030. Market investigators accept NEAR could reach $16.02 by 2025. Bearish NEAR protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.85. NEAR protocol, NEAR, presentation. Since its modest starting points with a little group in San Francisco, NEAR protocol has in practically no time developed to collaborate with a portion of the business top Goliaths, performing on a vertical direction since its origin. With the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the preparation for Web 3.0, the NEAR network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this NEAR protocol, NEAR, audit, we'll assess the organization's key highlights, alongside specialized examination and our near-future cost forecasts. What is NEAR protocol, NEAR? NEAR protocol is a Layer 1 public evidence of stake, POS, blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer cordial stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skdanov and Ilya Polosukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google. Consolidating their previous experience to its most prominent benefit, the pair at first had dreams of an AI project, however ended up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the NEAR protocol was conceived. As a shrewd agreement-skilled blockchain, NEAR was intended to have dapps, decentralized applications, and spotlight on ease of use. Contending with other brilliant agreement-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS, NEAR has integrated a few elements to increase ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to collaborate with shrewd agreements and dApps without requiring a wallet and consolidates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of NEAR's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web-based space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. NEAR means to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut environment, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. NEAR's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, character, and cache without requiring consent or outside stages. NEAR protocol has its own local token called NEAR, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. NEAR approves and settles exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful action by boosting validators with NEAR crypto tokens. With the NEAR protocol expected to explode further from now on, the symbolic worth is probably going to stick to this same pattern. NEAR protocol, NEAR, principal examination. While NEAR can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Sky Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has a special selling point. With the dispersed number of validators, the NEAR network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune and furthermore counters different shortcomings regularly found in most halfway controlled cloud stages. The NEAR protocol's essential objective is to enable clients to recapture control of their resources, information, and administration. NEAR protocol, NEAR, specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the NEAR network has gotten backing from numerous outstanding names in the business, like the trustworthy entrepreneur Store Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise banded together with other noticeable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Einstein Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Transition, Mintbase, and Paras have additionally effectively utilized NEAR to construct economical, speedy, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 financing round drove by Tiger Worldwide prompting critical cost appreciation for NEAR crypto holders. Assuming that NEAR's set of experiences of close associations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off fundamentally from here on out. NEAR protocol, NEAR, current cost. NEAR protocol is at present worth $3.56. NEAR has moved 2.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $145,700,075. Near protocol is at present position 25 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,812,580,618 Near protocol, NER, value expectation 2022. Near protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, NER. The near cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $5.34. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $4.99 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical in the near future given expected joint efforts and headways. NER is supposed to have a base worth of $4.27. Near protocol, NER, value expectation 2023. In 2023, Near protocol near cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Near will before long outperform $8.90. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Near's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Near will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $7.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.83. Near protocol, NER, value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $12.46 and Near may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Near is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $11.40 and a low of $10.68 in 2024. Near protocol, NER, value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Near protocol effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Near coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Near will be green in 2025. The Near is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $16.02. With a base cost of $14.24 and a typical cost of $14.96. Near protocol, NER, value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Near cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $18.52 by 2026, with a base cost of $17.80 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Near has a most